Hey, beautiful people. Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we're working with my client who came in because, as you can tell, she has some breakage and some damage. And we are going to give her hair the TLC that it needs and really revive it while you guys get to watch the process. Now, of course, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to also thumbs up this video and wait until the end, you guys, so you guys can see the reveal of how her hair turned out. Now, to start the process, I did do a retouch relaxer. I know there are some of you out there who don't like relaxers, which is a-okay. I'm team natural, I'm team relax, I'm team whatever your hair needs in order for you to be successful in your hair care game. Now, she is definitely relaxed and she did want to stay in the relaxer realm. So I started off by just touching that new growth area, and then we are going to do her haircut after we've done the relaxer process. Now, some stylists like to do their cuts early on, which we can consider that as a preliminary haircut, which sometimes I do. But in her case, I wanted to elongate the hair as much possible before I did the cut so I could see exactly what areas were needing to be trimmed off, what areas I could keep or salvage or even save and try to treat as time went on. Now, we decided that her haircut was going to be a bob, as you guys can clearly tell. If we are looking at her split ends, she is already in bob space. Now, some people would try to save as many of these split ends as possible, but let's talk about the split ends, you guys. Split ends do not help the hair, nor are they real length. Okay, split ends actually hinder the process. They harm the hair that is in good condition, and they actually create more problems than good a lot faster than if you were to trim those ends off and allow the hair to thrive in a healthy and natural way. Now, when you hear me say the word natural, that does not mean natural like she is natural. She can be relaxed. Natural way meaning you are allowing the hair to be in its natural space, meaning a healthy space, which is where your hair really should be. Okay, so that's what I mean by natural. I just wanted to clarify that. Now, while you guys finish watching us do this haircut, let's talk a little bit about her aftercare. Now, when I title my videos, How to Fix Damaged Hair, there's a reason for that, because the first step in fixing damaged hair is always to, number one, evaluate the problem. Number two, come up with a plan. Number three, execute the plan. And number four, what you do after your service, after you're in the salon, is going to be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and step number 10. So let's discuss a little bit about 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 steps, right? After she leaves the salon, her next actual service, her wash day, is going to be a full protein treatment using the Repair RX protein. Now, a lot of you don't understand the reasoning behind the protein treatment. Well, one, relaxers break the bond and also break the hair down to allow it to do exactly what it says, which is relax. That also entails a lot of work or a lot that the hair goes through. So a protein treatment is going to help to rebuild, fill in the gaps, and strengthen those same bonds that we just relaxed or broke down. So a protein treatment with relaxed hair is definitely required at about week 2 or week 3 following your traditional retouch or virgin relaxer. Now, does that exclude you if you were not relaxed? No, it does not. Because protein treatments can be used no matter if you are natural, relaxed, Hindu, Japanese, black, white, brown. It does not matter your race, creed, or texture. Protein treatments are here to help. They are like a Band-Aid on a boo-boo. It's like using Neosporin on a cut. They are here to aid and keep the hair strong and healthy. So if you're not giving your hair protein treatments just because you heard that, oh, you're natural and your hair doesn't like protein, that is incorrect. Okay, so just keep in mind, protein treatments is what we use to keep the hair strong and keep that hair from breaking and shedding. Or if you're dealing with breaking and shedding, then you would definitely start with an Elite Repair RX protein treatment. Now, after her protein treatment, we're going to focus on keeping the hair, again, healthy and strong. Now, because she is relaxed, we're going to follow the same regimen that you would as if you were high porosity. High porosity hair is traditionally chemically treated hair. So whether it be relaxed, a high lift color, Brazilian blowout, keratin, whatever you want to use, as long as it's a chemically altering service, meaning it's altering your curl pattern or texture, then you're going to treat your hair as if it was high porosity. So for her hair, I would recommend our Hair Repair and Restoration 2.0 collection. We also now have these new starter kits, which we wanted to create starter kits to make hair care a lot easier for those of you that are experiencing acute situations, or you really just don't know what you need for your hair. So if you visit our website at elitehaircareusa.com, on the homepage, we actually have multiple starter kits that entail all of the different products that you need in order for you to start your journey to healthier, longer, and stronger hair. So for her, I would use the Growth and Strength Starter Kit, because that kit contains the Repair RX, contains the hair repair shampoo, it contains a mask for her deep conditioning service, it contains the leave-in conditioner, the clarifying shampoo, scalp care such as the hair repair and growth balm. So all of the products that are within the Growth and Strength Starter Kit are going to be perfect for her, because she's starting out on a fresh blank canvas from a brand new haircut, a full-on corrective relaxer, all of that. And as you guys can tell, her hair needed a lot of TLC, which if you look at her hair now, just the difference of a cut, what that can do to the hair is just, that's all I can say. But I want you guys to definitely go and check out the different starter kits on our website. Again, elitehaircareusa.com. For those of you that have some different issues that you might not know which direction to go, and you're looking to really change your hair game, you're looking to really make this hair longer, stronger, and healthier, then definitely utilize our Elite Hair Care Starter Kits. They are here specifically created for people just like yourself. There is no one that is excluded from hair care. I don't care what race or nationality you are, because we all deal with different issues. We all deal with stress. We all deal with environmental changes. We all take medication at some form, shape, or any point of life that can also be altering to how your hair is looking and feeling at this very moment. Now, once I got done with the haircut, I gave her what I call the quick bump. Now, this is something that I've been showcasing to you guys for quite some time. And when I say the quick bump, this is actually what you can be doing at home as well to help you get through your wash day and also give your hair a nice bump that you can wrap it at night and not worry about curling it every single day. So for me to curl her hair, I did spray a little bit of hairspray. Now the hairspray is not to make the hair hard. It's really just to kind of seal the cuticle and make the hair nice and sleek and smooth, but it will still be able to be wrapped and not have a lot of buildup on the hair. Now I'm using our Smooth by EHC 1-inch flat iron. And because she has a bob, it is the perfect flat iron to use, especially in the nape area. But if you have our Smooth by EHC XL iron, you can also use that iron because it is amazing for bob curling as well. Or if your hair is slightly longer than hers, you can use our 2-inch XL. Now, I wanted to also let you guys know we did have a couple of our XL irons still available on the website. I actually found a box of literally XL irons that we could not fit on the shelf, yet the box had been put behind 2 other boxes, and no one reminded me that we actually still had flat irons left, which was only the XL though, you guys. I'm so sorry we don't have any more 1-inch, but we do have the XLs available, and they are on sale for $60. Now, from here, I'm going to curl her up, and I want to ask you guys a quick review question because I know a lot of you, my pros, would know the answer, but I want you to comment your response, okay? So if I am doing a quick bump and I am curling her in a diagonal pattern, meaning I'm going up and down, the parting is vertical, like an orange slice or a wedge or whatever shape you want to call it. What is the purpose of me doing that? What does that help me to achieve? Number one. Number two, what other benefit does it serve? So there's 2 in specific. I know my pros know this, but I want you guys to comment. Tell me what you guys think is the response or the answer to that question. And for those of you that have not joined the pro team, Now is definitely your time to do so by simply going to our website, elitehaircareusa.com, and filling out that short intro that you see as soon as you log onto the site, where it's asking for your phone number. Promise you we're not going to spam you, or your email. Go ahead and enter that in, and that gets you into the pro team. Yes. Okay? Okay. Now, once I finish curling her up, this actual curl that I'm doing right now, this is what I want to know. What does that do for the hair? Why do I do that? Tell me why. But once I do this, I actually love for my clients to wrap their hair. So this is another part of your home care after you've gotten your hair taken care of. You definitely want to ensure that you are wrapping your hair at night. You're not using your flat iron too often. Yes, I love our Smooth by EHC flat irons, but does that mean that I want you to use them every single day? Absolutely not. You need to make sure that you are wrapping your hair at night. You are using either a stocking cap or your Elite Hair Care scarf, which we do have our new scarves coming in with our new logo, new pictures, all that good stuff. So you guys will be able to get those very, very soon. But you need to be making sure that you are using an actual scarf and not a bonnet. Okay. I am not a bonnet fan. Bonnets are good if you have braids, if you have, rope twists or something super long that cannot fit into a scarf. But when you are taking care of your actual hair, your hair does not like to be moved around while you're sleeping. We all sleep wild. I don't care how good you think you sleep. We all sleep wild, and this is the easiest way to cause breakage right above the occipital bone and even below the occipital bone. So you definitely want to make sure that you are wrapping your hair at night, or you're protecting your hair and keeping it nice and compact so that it does not have space to move around, and you don't run that risk of getting excessive split ends, excessive dryness, or even breakage. Now, once I got finished curling her up, I used our Goddess Polish, which currently is out of stock, you guys, but it will not be out of stock for too much longer. We are waiting on the raw materials to get in so that we can restock the Goddess Polish. Guys, these tariffs and these raw materials are really, really getting serious. So it's been taking us a little bit longer to get a lot of our raw material in. But don't you guys worry, our Goddess Polish is on its way, and we are definitely going to restock that very, very soon. Now, another thing that I want to point out, if you are going to be flat ironing or blow drying your hair, I highly recommend you use our Shield Heat and Humidity Protectant Spray before you dry your hair. That is a humidity protectant. It is also a split end protector, and it is going to help to keep that hair nice and protected from heat damage when you are doing your heat styling or blow drying. I hope you guys enjoyed the finished style. Please comment down below. Tell me what you guys thought about the new and improved hairstyle, how we took her from ground zero all the way to a level 10. And when I say level 10, meaning superb hair. But definitely, you guys, comment again. You guys know I like to be funny. Comment again. Tell me what you guys thought about the finished product. And also, don't forget to answer our trivia question in the comments. What was the purpose of me curling her using diagonal or vertical partings? And I always recommend you guys go check out our website at elitehaircareusa.com, where we also have our hair care quiz, where you can find what products are best suited for your hair situation, or even hair type at that time. But I hope you guys enjoyed again. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!